What are participle clauses? Participle clauses are a way of shortening sentences by using a participle, either in ing or ed form, to show actions or conditions. They help us sound more natural, fluent, and academic, which is perfect for IELTS. Let's break them down into two main types. Participle clauses with active verbs. Participle clauses with ing show an active action, usually happening at the same time as the main verb. We can use the present participle in place of defining relative clauses if the verb is in the active form. We use reduced relative clauses to be able to write more ideas in a smaller space. This is particularly common in academic writing. In active sentences, we omit the relative pronoun and change the verb to the ing form. Take a look at these examples. The people who practiced a new hobby reported feeling happier. The group practicing a new hobby reported feeling happier. The number of people who make their own clothes has gone down. The number of people making their own clothes has gone down. Past participle. These usually show passive meaning or actions that were completed before another one. We can use the past participles in place of defining relative clauses if the verb is in the passive form. In passive sentences, we omit the relative pronoun and be verbs. Take a look at the following examples. The leisure center used for most of the after-school activities closed down. The novel based on true events has been made into a film. Remember, if the subject of the participle clause is doing the action, use ing form of the verb. If the subject is receiving the action, use the past participle. In IELTS Writing Task 2, you can use participle clauses to improve coherence and cohesion. For example, having considered both sides, it is clear that stricter regulations are necessary. Given the current situation, governments must act quickly. Sounds formal and natural, right? Now, are you ready for a challenge? Complete the sentences with the correct participle. Pause the video if you need more time. Good luck! 1. I found a great website, belong, to a guy who actually collects vending machines as a hobby. The answer is belonging. 2. There was a machine, create, in the 1st century by a Greek engineer. The answer is created. 3. The first gumball machine, invent, by the Thomas Adams Gum Company came shortly after the British design. The answer is invented. 4. The customer puts in a coin, activate, this crank system and turning the hopper. The answer is activating. 5. They had to turn the handle, unlock, the candy door at the bottom, which was also kind of fun. The answer is unlocking. 6. The customer paid, then opened the door, give them access to all the newspapers inside. The answer is giving. How did you do? Did you get a perfect score? If not, that's alright. Let's do better next time. To wrap up, here's a quick summary. Use participle clauses using ing forms for active verbs, same subject, and ongoing actions. Use past participle using ed for passive forms or past actions. Using participle clauses are great for making your writing more academic and concise, perfect for IELTS. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Miss Robolette's Corner and share it with your students or co-teachers. In the next Mastering IELTS series we will be tackling the present perfect simple. Check out my other videos in the playlists here and in the description below. See you on the next video.